Federal shutdown may be over, but some say it's still impacting justice here in Sacramento.
Some court-appointed private defense attorneys who represent people who cannot afford a lawyer still haven't been paid.
ABC 10's Nazi Javid has a closer look at how it's now impacting local cases.
Yeah, the shutdown may be over, but for attorneys who rely on this federal funding, they say the fallout still continues.
I think it does affect the ability of the defendants, obviously, to have a speedy trial.
Just hours before the shutdown ended, a federal judge dismissed a meth distribution case at the Eastern District Courthouse in Sacramento, saying the court couldn't appoint a paid attorney. And another defendant living in Sacramento is also stuck after his Los Angeles-based lawyer couldn't afford to travel to meet him or bring in experts who refused to work without pay.
To force defendants into a choice of moving forward with someone who is not prepared, that's not ideal.
Federal public defense attorneys who serve on the court's Criminal Justice Act panel haven't been paid since July after funding for the Defender Services Program ran out. Nationally, Criminal Justice Act lawyers handle about 40% of cases.
Starting on July 3rd, we were told just continue to work, and then we will pay you once funding is, once there's a new budget, starting October 1st. And then October 1st came, and we had the shutdown.
Fisher says he learned he was supposed to get back pay on Tuesday, but that never happened.
It's been a lot of suffering, and still as of today, we have not gotten money yet.
And without pay, local defense teams can't travel, hire investigators, and can't bring in experts or have to pay out of pocket to do so.
And imagine how you feel as a lawyer. You're basically, the courts are saying to you, you really don't matter that much because you can just go ahead and work for free.
And Fisher says the problem goes deeper, creating a lopsided system that fully funded prosecutors but not the defense attorneys.
It's infuriating. It's outrageous. I never would have thought that I would be arguing over something that is so basic. When you have a system, you have to arm both sides. It's just unfathomable to me that they've completely funded one side and defunded the other side.
That was our Nazi Javid reporting. And it's not over yet. They also warned the budget for next year is still nearly $200 million short. That means funding for these attorneys could run out again by June.